How to play Brawl Stars on PC. Hey everyone, in today's video I'll show you how to play Brawl Stars on your PC. Whether you're looking for a bigger screen or better controls, this guide will get you started, so let's get right into it. First, you need an Android emulator to run Brawl Stars on your PC. So download and install an emulator like BlueStacks that I'm using right now, or Nox Player from their official websites. These emulators mimic Android on your computer. So once downloaded, open the emulator and complete the initial setup. Sign in with your Google account to access the Google Play Store, where you'll download Brawl Stars. Open the Google Play Store within the emulator and search for Brawl Stars. Click on Install and wait for the game to download and install on the emulator. After installation, open Brawl Stars from the emulator's app drawer. You can now play the game using your mouse and keyboard. Adjust the controls in the emulator settings if needed for a better gaming experience. And that's it, you're all set to enjoy Brawl Stars on your PC. For more tips and tricks, check the description. And if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.